So this tessellation has two choices that are different from the previous day in Advent of Tess. First, the hexagon is open instead of closed, and second, the rhombus is closed instead of open. And we keep the open triangles on the back, but now instead of making a block, they're kind of spiraling around. And when you repeat this pattern most directly, we actually get lines connecting the spirals of different repeats. And those lines are formed by the edges of the triangle twists. But it's not the only way we can have something that looks like this repeating. We can actually have a imposter, a look-alike pattern that has the shapes that we would expect, the hexagon, the triangles, the rhombuses, but these aren't actually rhombuses. They have too many pleats for that. They have 6 triangles around the same twist. That means 6 pleats. It's a weird hybrid hexagon.